All right. So I'm back here in Jaco, walking to the beach because I don't have a choice. No, I enjoy walking to the beach, but the only thing that's been going on here that hasn't been going my way is my car. My car is out of commission for now, and it's been a struggle. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. Let me just show you here the complex. We're starting to get a couple of raindrops. That turn this around. When I left here, they hadn't painted this yet. But the good news is there's hardly any construction noise now. So they are still some construction noise, but not like before. So what's going on? I'm here carless, and I left my car with my buddy Alex. I leave it to, last time I had left it for 3 months and it got nasty. It got full of mold, and this time I was only gone a month. And I'm not gonna blame nobody because it happened. It's a 25-year-old car, and anyway, 2 days before I got here, he went to start it up and something blew, said it was revving really high. He gave it gas. And then there was a big pop. It appears that the emissions body, something happened there.
This is the part that exploded, and it's no good. So if anyone knows what this thing is called in English, please leave me a comment and let me know. Because I know it's called a cuerpo de misiones in Spanish, but no one's been able to tell me what it's called in English. So I just have to move forward. I found the part in Heredia online.
And it connects to the headers and the computer or something. Anyway, I didn't realize that this part would be so difficult getting, because one of the reasons why I bought this car is because there's so many of them around here. But as I've come to find out that the Hyundais that are made in Korea is what I have is completely, not completely, but different enough from the Hyundais that are made outside of Korea. And then the one I have was made in Korea. And so certain things about the part are not compatible. And, but we're working on it. I hate to have to sell the car for parts. That might be my only choice if I can't find this part. So it's been frustrating, to say the least, but walking's good for me. And I would do this walk anyway. But I've been using taxis, and the taxis here are reasonable. To go from this house to the store is only $4, 2,000 colones. So hopefully on the next video, I'll be in my car. I went to look at renting a car for a few days, and the prices here, even though this is the off season, are not favorable. They want $60 a day. The cheapest I found was 40. In the racket here, and I made a prior video about this in Costa Rica, the racket here is the insurance. They stick it to you on insurance and taxes when it comes to renting a car. That is the truth, and I've known this, but it is what it is. So hopefully everyone's doing well. It's a little bit of an overcast day, and there's such a nice breeze right now that it's just very comfortable. So I just wanted to get out of the house, take a walk to the beach here, and enjoy this day, because what is my other option? I've actually spent an hour yesterday calling all over San Jose, Heredia, Cartago, calling all over. And I've had a couple of my taxi guys that know people with parts connections. and we haven't had any luck. So just onwards and forwards. It sure feels really good to be back here. That's the truth. Had a great time in California with Mom and the rest of the family. But this is my home now. It's what I consider my home now. And so it's where I want to be. It's where I want to be. Nothing's changed much. The construction has been making good progress. Anyway, this is just a quick update video, and I'll be, once I get my car, hopefully it'll be my car, I will be happier. Still pretty happy. Just, you know, we plan for things, and sometimes they don't go the way we plan. More than sometimes, a lot of times. But that's what makes life interesting. The fact that I'm here, it's good. It's all good. And be reconnecting with some friends. And yeah, life is good. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm trying to get to 5,000. I'd like to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. One of my goals, hopefully. So if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it. And if you could, hit the like button. That all helps. The beach is actually pretty clean. So I'm gonna finish my walk here, and I'm probably gonna stop in at Soda Raquel on the way back and have some dinner. So be nice to have a nice dinner. So from Jaco, Costa Rica, pura vida, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.